All right, YouTube, 116 Falconer. Hey, this is just a quick video. Got this old freaking lawn tractor here. It's a K Pro. I'm assuming it's an old Kmart lawn tractor. It wouldn't start for the dude. You put a new battery in it. Still wouldn't start. But you can jump it on the solenoid and get it to run. So I figure it's a key switch. So I got the test light out, going over it. I was able to locate the fuse right here. At first you couldn't see it because it was just caked on with shit. So I was looking for a fuse, and finally found it. Pulled the fuse out. The one side was just totally corroded. Still a good fuse. Clean that up, get it back in. Now I'm getting power. It's going through. All right, well, you saw it. It's getting power. So out of there, you come to this red and white wire right here. All right, so I pulled the key switch out, which on these tractors, I mean, it's easier than heck. Just take the nut off, pull it out, unplug it. Turns out the terminal I need, this one right here, was just covered with corrosion and this and that. So what I'm gonna do is get a file out, file it down. I'm pretty sure that it'll fire up now. So let me do that, and I'll be back. Okay, so I cleaned up the connections. Now you can see where that red wire is. We're getting power. So let me slap the key in there. See if she'll turn over. Nope. Still not bumping. All right, look at it some more. Still not getting power to the solenoid. All right, YouTube. So I've done a little more digging here. Re-cleaned the connectors on here. Now I'm getting, when I turn the key to start, this orange wire right here is lighting up. The problem is this orange wire goes down to this safety switch down here, right down there, and then it comes out the orange and white wire here. So I'm pretty sure it's that switch that's bad. I'm not even gonna dick around with that. What I'm gonna do is put the solenoid back up, get everything right. I'm gonna run a jumper from the orange wire on the key start, or the key switch, to this orange and white one that goes on the solenoid to activate the solenoid, and we'll see if that takes care of the problem. If it does, then I'll just leave that jumper wire on there, and the dude can do what he wants with it. So let me get everything hooked back up. I'll be back in a minute. All right, so I ran a jumper from the wire there to activate the solenoid into the orange one right here. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. All right, let's see if she'll now, you know what, I'm gonna stick that key switch back up there so I can hold the camera and show you just a second. Okay, I just set that in there so we can turn the key. I'm just gonna bump it, see if it works. Yeah, so there you go. I don't want to start it, but so that's what the problem was. It's that safety switch down there to kill the mower. Obviously it's not letting the solenoid engage, so I'm just gonna route this jumper wire, and like I say, he can do what he wants if he wants to replace that switch or whatever. So that's it, diagnosing a no start on these old lawn tractors. Pretty simple. So all right, see ya, bitches.